I am Ram Murthy, Assistant Director, representing Office of the Development Commissioner Handicrafts, Vijayawada. We are organizing this program on behalf of Development Commissioner Handicrafts. This program is called Gandhi Shelf Bazaar. This is an event every year. This program is going on in Hyderabad and other parts of the country. There are 150 craftspersons all over India participating in the event. We are creating a marketing platform in this program. All the artisans from all over the India, that is from representing northeastern region, western region, northern region and central region and southern region of India, they will bring their product here and they will have a direct interaction with the art lovers of Hyderabad, and they can sell the product directly to the art lovers here in Hyderabad. This program is providing an opportunity to the artisan to have a direct interaction with the customers, and they will get the feedback from the customers. Accordingly, they can also adjust their product and change the design. And this program is being organized by the Development Commission Handicraft for the benefit of the 150 artisans from all over India. The products mainly bamboo and can articles of northeastern region, and then handicrafts such as crochet lace and other predominant craft like kalamkari and wooden woodcrafts of Andhra Pradesh, then wood carving of Tamil Nadu, Kallagurji and Arambur area, and other embroidery works of Tamil Nadu also, and from Kerala bamboo and cane craft and screw paint crafts of Kerala, from West Bengal Gandha sarees, and from Lucknow chicken embroidery craft, and from other areas metal craft of Pemberthi, seashell craft from other region, lacquerware craft of Channapatna, and then wooden crafts of Tamil Nadu. All these crafts are being displayed and demonstrated here, and the artisans from all parts of the states are coming here for doing sales here, and this opportunity should be used by the art lovers of Hyderabad for the benefit of our poor artisan community. The response and the craft sales in Hyderabad was overwhelming. Last time also in Botanical Garden we have 80 lakh sales. Similarly, we are expecting around 80 lakh sales in the more than that in this program. Starting from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, artisans are coming from all over India. There will be similar type of program in Guntur as well as in Visakhapatnam during this current year. Exactly, this is a Gandhi Shelf Bazaar conducted by department directly through corporations. In addition to that, we are sanctioning Grantinate Craft Bazaar on the basis of 75%, 25% grant. And all the NGOs, those who are eligible for this program, they are conducting similar type of program has been held in Vijayawada recently during last month. We had a sales of 50 lakhs there, and we had a program like that, the Grantinate Craft Bazaar at Vishak also this year. This year here in Hyderabad, we are expecting around 1 crore sales.